आज आम OSSC POJ बैच इंडियन पॉलिटी जो आम करूँ तार क्लास 2 आम करवा आज. सो अराउंड आज क्लास रे आम 55 टा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करवा. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस सेशन. So this is all about me and एमान आमर अचीवर्स. So this can be you. Okay, next ये आमर फैकल्टी जो मैंने अपन क्लास नौ एंड आमर ई गुरु एप्लिकेशन अपन डाउनलोड करी पीओ का जो 25 टा मॉक टेस्ट अच्छी से अपन अवेल करेंगे एट ओनली 400 एंड तार फ्री मॉक टेस्ट ई गुरु टेलीग्राम चैनल रे ऑलरेडी अपलोड हो सारी. सो आम क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करवा. द वर्ड सोशलिस्ट सेक्युलर and unity and integrity of the nation were added to our constitution by. So आमर 42nd amendment को मिनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बोली मध्य कहुई थाए. तो से ही ये 3टा वर्ड ऐड करा ता सहित आमर फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी मध्य 42nd amendment रे ऐड करा जायतला. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा. सो द क्वेश्चन इज द करेक्ट नोमेनक्लेचर ऑफ इंडिया अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रीएम्बल. तो प्रीएम्बल हिसाब रे आमर जो करेक्ट सीक्वेंस अच्छी सेटा सोवरेन सोशलिस्ट सेक्युलर डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक. ओके, इंडिया इज अ डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक. व्हाई? बिकॉज द हेड ऑफ द स्टेट इज इलेक्टेड बाय द पीपल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो आम आज मैराथन करुचे तो पूरा जल्दी जल्दी आम 55 टा क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट करवा. एंड आर पीडीएफ आपण पाइबे टेलीग्राम चैनल रे. ओके, लास्ट को मु टेलीग्राम चैनल लिंक भी देदेवी एंड डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे आपण टेलीग्राम चैनल लिंक पाइबे. Next question, which of the following is not a part of the preamble to the Indian Constitution? So answer is federalism, because I already called the sequence. Next question, who among the following moved the objectives resolution which formed tile basis of the preamble of the Constitution of India in the Constituent Assembly on 13 December 1946? So answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question, the Constitution of India is republican because it has no hereditary elements and all are elected persons. Next, in India the concept of single citizenship is adopted from. So आमर जो constitution रही है बोरो constitution. तो single citizenship जो बोरो कराइला सेटा आमर यूके बा इंग्लैंड रु बोरो कराइला. Next question, the Indian constitution comprises of. So we know all 395 articles, 22 parts and 12 schedules. From which of these countries Constitution of India has adopted fundamental duties? Fundamental duty कहली 42nd amendment रे हमर ऐड हेतला एंड एटा बोरो करा हेतला रशिया रो. The part of the constitution that reflects the mind and ideals of the framers is preamble, जहाँ मग्नकर्ता बोली मध्य कुआ जाए. मग्नकर्ता of constitution. Under which article of the Constitution are the cultural and educational rights granted? So cultural and educational rights are granted under Article 29 and 30. Next question, which of the following is not specifically mentioned in Article 19 of the Constitution? So right answer कौन होगा? Freedom of the press. Okay, next question जीवा. Right to constitutional remedies comes under fundamental rights. सो राइट टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल रेमेडीज को हमारा डॉक्टर बी.आर. अम्बेडकर कहते सोल ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड एट आर्टिकल 32 रे जाऊे. ओके, नेक्स्ट या. इफ एन इंडियन सिटीजन इज डिनाइड ए पब्लिक ऑफिस बिकॉज ऑफ हिज रिलीजन व्हिच ऑफ दिस फॉलोइंग फंडामेंटल राइट्स इज डिनाइड टू हिम. ताको को जिनसटा मना करा जिवो. सो आंसर इज राइट टू इक्वालिटी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो fundamental freedoms under Article 19 are suspended during emergency caused by. So national emergency time रे हमरो war or external aggression जदि थाए then Article 19 को suspend करा जाए but Article 20 and 21 suspend हुए नहीं. Next, any dispute regarding the violation of fundamental rights can be presented. So we can present in either of the court, Supreme Court or in the High Court. Okay, Indian Constitution recognizes minorities on the basis of. Minority को हमें religion basis रे recognize करी थाओ. Next question, Article 14 guarantees equality before law and equal protection of law too. So our answer होगा all persons living within the territory of India. Next, which schedule of the Constitution of India contains special provisions for the administration and control of scheduled areas in several states? So हमारा शेड्यूल आमर अच्छी 12टा सो 12टा शेड्यूल आमर 5th शेड्यूल जोटा रहा that contains special provisions for the administration and control of scheduled areas in several states. So answer is 5th schedule. Untouchability is abolished and its practice is punishable according to Article 17. Next. Right to education is a fundamental right emanating from right to. So correct answer is life and personal liberty under Article 21. So next question is the constitution names our country as. So as per Article 1 Constitution रे आम कंट्री को मेंशन कराई इंडिया दैट इज भारत. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रोवाइड्स दैट हिंदी शैल बी द ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज ऑफ द यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया. आर्टिकल 343. So official language of the union is Hindi in Devanagari script. Okay, next question. What is the minimum permissible age for employment in any factory or mine? So as per Article 24, below 14 years age कौनसी children factory or mines रे काम करि परिबे नाही. So this is under Article 24. Which of the following is not a condition for becoming a citizen of India? So constitution जो हमारा part 2 अच्छी से deal करुची citizenship ऊपर and according to that so Citizenship Act 1955 under जहाँ भी terms and condition अच्छी. So by acquiring property this is not a condition for becoming a citizen of India. Okay. Citizenship provisions are enshrined in the constitution in part 2 article 5 to 11. Which of the following articles describes about the person voluntarily acquiring citizenship of a foreign state not to be citizens? So एटा हमरो कोड लिखा छी article 9. Okay. Article 20 to 22 relate to the fundamental right to life and personal liberty. These rights are available to both citizen and non-citizens. Okay. Details on how citizenship may be acquired and terminated are enumerated in Citizenship Act 1955. Okay. A person can become a citizen of India even if born outside India if his or her father or mother is a citizen of India at the time of person's birth. Okay. Next question. To acquire citizenship by registration, a person must have been resident in India for dash immediately before making an application. So correct answer is 5 years. Which of the following rights was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the constitution? It am already कही सारी Article 32 that is right to constitutional remedies. Next. Which of the following fundamental rights is also available to a foreigner on the soil of India? So that is protection of life and personal liberty against action without authority of law. Next. Which of the following has been dropped from the list of personal freedoms enshrined in Article 19 of the Constitution? So Article 19 रे 6टा freedom दिया जाइए. Speech and expression, assemble peacefully without arms, then form association or unions, then move freely throughout the territory of India. Okay. And reside and settle in any part of the country, then practice any profession, occupation, trade or business. But freedom to acquire, hold and dispose of property एटा हमारा list रू drop कराई दिया जाइए. Okay. Next question. In the Constitution, opportunities for the development of scientific temper, humanism and spirit of inquiry and reform are found in. So answer is fundamental duties. So हमारा कितना fundamental duty अच्छी 11टा fundamental duty अच्छी and at 42 amendment रे हमारा fundamental duty को add करा जाइतला. The total number of fundamental duties mentioned in the Constitution is 11. Okay. Next. Fundamental duties have been added in the Constitution by 42nd Amendment in accordance with the recommendation of. So answer is Swaran Singh Committee. Which is the competent body to prescribe condition for acquisition of citizenship? So Parliament is the competent body. Okay. Next. Right to information is Act 2005 and according to that this is a fundamental right. Okay. Next. Which among the following pairs is not correctly matched? So power of state legislature altering the name of the state, this is incorrect. This is under parliament. Okay. So next question jiva. In which case did the Supreme Court restore the primacy of the fundamental rights over the DPSP? So right answer is Golaknath case. Okay. Which of the following rights conferred by the Constitution of India is also available to non-citizens? So the right answer is freedom to speech. Okay. Next, which of the following is a human right as well as a fundamental right under the Constitution of India? So human right as well as fundamental right, this is right to education. Next question. Under the Constitution of India, which of the following is not a fundamental duty? So आमर जो 11टा फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी रही से वोट इन पब्लिक इलेक्शन एटा फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी नुहे. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which article of Constitution says no child below age of 14 years shall be employed to work in any mines or factory? So it already calls Article 24. Next, separation of judiciary from the executive is enjoined by. So this is Directive Principles. Which part of Constitution deal with DPSP? So right answer is Part 4. Right. Next, which is not a directive principle of state policy? So option B देची to develop the scientific temper. This is a fundamental duty. Okay. Next question. Which directive principle is based on Gandhian ideology? So Gandhian ideology भितर promotion of cottage industry. Next, which of the following cannot be termed Gandhian among the directive principles? So prevention of cow slaughter, yes. Promotion of cottage industry, establishment of village panchayat. But uniform civil code for the country, this is not termed as Gandhian directive principles, and uniform civil code article 44. Okay. Next, the 12th schedule of the constitution. So हमारा total 12टा schedule रही, and the last schedule is that is contains subject over which municipalities may have control. Okay. Next, the 9th schedule was added by. So 9th schedule को add कर First Amendment Act. Which language is not recognized in the 8th schedule though it is an official language of a state? So answer is English. 8th schedule रे हमारा वर्तमान 22टा language को recognition मिली. Okay, so English is not recognized in the 8th schedule. In which one of the following does the subject of cooperative societies fall? So cooperative society comes under concurrent list, जोटा कि both union and state करिथांती. Under which article of the constitution is the president's rule promulgated on any state of India? So article 356. Okay, so this is the last question, and आपन को ये सब क्वेश्चन आंसर एटी मिल जाव, एंड पीडीएफ आपन को टेलीग्राम ऐप रे आपन को मिल जाव. सो आमर टेलीग्राम चैनल को जॉइन करंतु, एंड ए पीडीएफ आपन को वीडियो अपलोड होवार 1 डे पर मिल जाव. ओके. सो दिस इज आवर यूट्यूब चैनल, सब्सक्राइब इट. एंड ये आमर ई गुरु एप्लिकेशन लिंक बदे अच्छी, आपन सेटू जाइकी 25 जो आमर मॉक सेट अच्छी आपन सेटा को परचेस कर पारे, एंड आपन फीडबैक मध्य दे पारे. जदि ये क्वेश्चन गुडे भल लागता देन हमकु निहाती ए सेशन को लाइक करबे एंड कमेंट रे जणाबे. So आज एतिकी. Thanks for watching this video.